So we are the funeral complex of the king Teti.
In terms of how much open space you can create under such a massive thing. And in order, you can't have a flat roof over a tall tunnel.
I'm gonna try to put all this writing in description, like this you guys can see it.
Are kept as small as possible, and as Magdi was saying, if you think you getting in and out is hard, you saw the sarcophagus. Getting that in, that's the real trick, right? So the tunnel is essentially the size of the sarcophagus. That's pretty much what you got. Right?
Oh.
It's really a limiting factor, or you need to have the sarcophagus in first, and then build the pyramid.
Like exactly like the valley of the rabbits before. This is a massive sarcophagus. Now it's like you used to see like
We're going again in a tomb. Hopefully it's not gonna be like the Cheops pyramid. Fingers crossed.
Banda geneques por zich nog anders. It's a little genetic.
Watch your head.
Por zich zit de gevallen, hè? Je tibuli habili.
Familiar sleep? Sleep? Sleep. Come from? Good. Yunan. Welcome.
Oh yeah. I got that feeling would be like in the Cheops pyramid. But at least you have more space here.
Cristina 50 φορές είναι εντός.
Voi sicura che le capelli del foresta e voi siete? Excesso do putana.
Watch your head.
Oh yeah. The ray of light. Another one. Mate, I'm walking like a midget walk or frog walk. At least I have air over here. Let me go here, no? Just a small room. Let's go back. You see his writing over here everywhere.
Very good.
And that's the tomb of Teti. Honestly, I'm afraid to put my gimbal further, or something bad will go on. Tomb of Teti. So I believe this is the Teti sign. You know why? Because it's a bit darker, so people have been touching it. 1, 2, 3. You see Teti. All right. That was interesting. Now let's go back. Oh shit. Just hit my head. Oh boy. I can't go further. Oh boy.
Thank you, I'm sorry. We just arrived here, we don't have money.
Up for the car?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Was a good one? So this was King of Teti. See you in the next one.